Welcome back. Today we will discuss about trigonometric identities, how it can be derived. First of all, we draw a triangle, right angle triangle. Suppose this is A, this is B and this is C and this is theta. As you can see, angle B is 90 degree, right angle. Therefore, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem tells hypotenuse means AC square, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square means AB square plus base square means BC square, right? Suppose this is equation first. Now, if we divide any constant number in both sides, then there will be no change in the whole equation. So, if we divide by AC square in the whole equation, then equation first would be AC square upon AC square is equals to AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square, right? And you can see this is nothing but 1. This can be write AB upon AC whole square plus BC upon AC whole square, right? Now, AB upon AC is nothing but sin theta, right? And there is a square, therefore sin square theta, right? Plus BC upon AC means base upon hypotenuse. This is nothing but cos theta and there is a square, therefore cos square theta. This is your first trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, right? Now, if we divide by AB square instead of AC square, then equation first would be AC square upon AB square is equals to AB square upon AB square, right? Plus BC square upon AB square, right? This is nothing but 1. And now we can write it AC upon AB whole square is equals to 1 plus BC upon AB whole square. Now, AC upon AB is nothing but cosec theta, right? And there is a square, therefore cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus BC upon AB base upon perpendicular is nothing but cot theta and there is a square, therefore cot square theta. This is your second trigonometric identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Now, if we divide the equation first by BC square instead of AC square, AB square, then the equation first would be AC square upon BC square is equals to AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square. This would become 1, right? AC upon BC whole square is equals to AB upon BC whole square plus 1, right? AC upon BC hypotenuse upon base is nothing but sec theta and there is a square, therefore sec square theta, right, is equals to AB upon BC is nothing but perpendicular upon base means tan theta and there is a square, therefore tan square theta plus 1. This is your third and last identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, right? First, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second, 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. And third, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, right? I think you will understand all the three identities. If you have still any doubt, you can comment me. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, then subscribe it for more videos. Thank you.